Well, I'm back on. I don't know why that's sitting in there. I'm not using it. Anyway, I'm back on R&D to a degree. This is finished development. I do have the tender buttoned up more or less. I had to print an end plate for Leon. I had to make mods to his, and I broke it. Ouch. So I traced one out and printed one up and replaced it with 3D printed version. I told him, but he hasn't replied yet, so I don't know. Maybe he's not happy, but that's what I had to do. Okay. What I'm doing today is what's called a puff board. This is a puff board, tiny little PC board, built by a dear train buddy, Carl Tuvison in Indiana, and he's designed it to work on AC. Lovely. So I'm just taking AC off the transformer because he does have a diode and he does has a 5-volt regulator built in. I've bought bare boards and components. I think what I'm going to do is just tap into the DC side and put my own 5-volt regulator in, because I'm going to have DC running pretty much right out of the tender, and I can put DC to this easier than AC, and I trust my DC because track will go up and down. My DC is going to be stable, 5 volts. It's not going to go up and down. And it will take, I think he said 5 to 20 volts or something like that. So I should be in that range well enough. At any rate, how it works is you turn on the transformer. Okay, so let's turn on the engine. And I want you to watch, if you can. I don't know if I'm pretty sure there's enough light on it, but it's black on black, right? It's a little hard. Yeah, I have my light on. You got your light on. Okay, well, I could put some dots on it. I'll do that later. But anyway, how can I make that better? Oh, there. That's better. Okay. I'm going to try to hold my camera still. Watch it. All I'm going to do is put the transformer down like I'm going to start the engine. Okay? So it's running. Now, it's supposed to be puffing slight smoke. Just a trickle, okay? And now this is the chuff trigger. Hear it. Hear it? Here. Now watch the fan when I click it. See it move? It increases its speed when I click it. So that supposedly is the chuff. And then in between, it has a slow speed. The problem I've had with this contraption from day one is the slow speed and the puff kind of run together, and it never stops smoking, so you don't get this chuff and then silence for a moment and then chuff. You got this thing running. Now, the reason we keep it running was to prevent overheating, which I like. Also, it gives you the sense at idle, the train is, smoke is coming out, trickling, and, that's pretty cool. I like that too. However, I really wanted a distinct difference between trickling out at idle and a powerful exhaust steam pressure coming out of the steam chest. And what I think I'm going to do is put this, or get an engine with smoke on it, like Leon's, he has it, right? Set it up to run, and take these fan blades and cut them down. Now that we know the puff works and how it works, I can come over here and show you the idea I have. And I've seen this in industry a little bit. Let's see, how's it go? It goes like this. They're like this. They're coming out like that, okay? And this is the fan. So this blade is like an arc like this, and it's pretty full-sized. As far as the cavity goes, it's full, all right? It comes up here and it curls around, it goes down. It's full-sized. What I have seen is some of these blades can be cut down like this. So they're spinning, but at low speed, let's say up here you've got low speed and then a puff, like that. And so with these, what you have is low speed and then a puff. Okay, I'm hoping I can increase this amplitude from idle to high speed by changing the blade. And I have a few. We can print those. Andy's done the design work and I can print them. So I won't have any trouble grinding some down. I may start with a third and then go to a half and then go to 2/3. I don't know. But I want to experiment to see if I can't get this trickling smoke and then in between, shoo, shoo, shoo. Okay? That's what I'm hoping. I know the sound effects make it all work, doesn't it? Okay, so verify. It's only getting AC. I've soldered wire right to the track, so that's AC coming out of that transformer. And it's idling. And when I pulse it, see it run faster. And it will. The smoke's coming out and then it comes out faster. It's not a chuff the way you think. And so I'm going to try it. And I'll set all this up and get back to you. I'm just showing you my little demo kit here so we can go from there. Okay.